Do you ever find yourself standing somewhere, waiting perhaps for something? Tired? Exhausted? Not being able to rest those weary legs and not being very comfortable. Your legs just, ache. What's wrong? I'm standing, I'm waiting, and yet there's a problem. Something's wrong. Perhaps the floor is an inappropriate place to lie down and have a nap. Something's wrong. Oh yes, that's right. My legs are tired. What can I do about it? Wait? Suffer? In silence? Ache? Ow. Why are they tired? Because something's wrong. I've been standing and waiting. I can't sit on the floor. I can't even lie on the floor. And as yet, I can't levitate. Something's wrong. If only there was an answer. What's this? We call it a chair. That's right, a chair. Oh yeah, a chair. Ooh, a chair. Sometimes just 2 legs is not enough. 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. 6 legs in total. Why is it useful, I hear you say? I have the answer for you. I'm standing and my legs are sore. What can I... Oh yes! I'm staying in the same place and yet not using those tired legs. My legs are no longer aching. Feel the benefits? Relaxing. That's right, relaxing. I can stretch one leg out. Stretching out the other leg. My feet not on the floor. I can stretch 2 legs down and still not fall over. That's right, and still not falling over. Relaxing. The all-new patented chair for when standing is just too much. Relaxing.